Hey, it's Claire here, and welcome to my 7-day free course all about how to start an interior design business completely from scratch, or an architecture business, styling business, landscape business, whatever it is in the industry. This course will help you get set up correctly from the start. So what we're basically going to do over the course of the next 7 days is to work through a day-by-day checklist, and I am actually going to do the work alongside you. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this and how it really doesn't need to take as long as you think it does to get a business up and running. So we're going to work through a 7-day step-by-step checklist completely from you don't even have a business name. So we're going to do all of that. Now, if you're watching this over on YouTube, you're very welcome to watch the entire course on YouTube. It's completely free. There's no issues with doing that. However, if you would like to access the free Notion dashboard that I have built with the checklist and links out to other articles and other content and other resources that I link to throughout the program, throughout this free course, then I would encourage you to come and join me inside my free community called Design Business Insider. It's over on School. I will link to it below in the description box, and you can then join, come into the classroom, and when you come in, this will be live, and it is the 7-day program with all of the links that you need to find the other articles and the other resources that I talk about, and also download this Notion dashboard so that you can get this set up and access the checklists and work through this day by day with me. So definitely come and join that. It's free to join the community as well, and you get valued from just joining and being part of a collection of other designers, architects, landscape designers, all of those sorts of people who are all in here learning and sharing and chatting with each other. And also I've got obviously my classroom area where you can access lots of different other resources as well. So watch on YouTube if you would like. Otherwise, please, I would encourage you to come over to the community and join us and download this Notion dashboard. Now, quick, before we get started, so the first video will come tomorrow for the free course, and then you just work through each video step by step, day by day. And as I said, will work through in the videos with you and show you the live build and the walkthrough of how to do most of the steps, just so that you can see that this doesn't need to be complicated. But in order to just quickly get this Notion dashboard set up, if you have not used Notion before, you will need to grab a free Notion account. It works on the free. You don't even need to do that if you don't want to, but that will mean that you can access the checklists and like tick them off. You won't be able to do that on this first link that you're given. So if you do want to be able to click off the links, then that's click off these little checkboxes. That's how you'll do it. But otherwise, you don't even need to do that. You can just use this as a website and link out. So as I said, you can get that inside my free community. But if you do want to duplicate it into your own Notion dashboard and be able to check off the checkboxes as you go, sign up for a free Notion account if you don't already have one. And when you've done that, come back to this page, to this link, and then just click on this two little squares sitting over top of each other called duplicate, and then duplicate this into your Notion dashboard. You just pick your area. You may not have to do that step, and then it will drop straight into your dashboard once it's duplicated in. So that's how to do that. And once you've done that, you're set up and you're ready to go. So as I said, the first video will go live tomorrow, and then we will do 7 days, and you can watch them faster than the 7 days if you want to do it even faster. But I'm going to be recording them over 7 days. So if you are keeping up to pace with me, then you'll have to just wait for me to release them each day. And this is also a pre-program for my Design Business Bootcamp program, which is my 12-week program for designers. I'll show you what that looks like. So that is my 12-week business implementation program. So you don't have to join this if you don't want to, but this program, this free program that we're going to be working through, this is the foundational program that gets you all set up and ready to start working with clients. When you are ready to start working with clients, join the bootcamp program, and I will teach you how to find clients, how to price your services, how to build your sales skills, and then we work through an exact workflow of how to work with clients, on how to onboard them, what to say, what email to send, and then how to do your design consultation and how to prepare for that and what to take with you, and how to run that design consultation meeting so people actually sign up for more work with you, then how to prepare your fee proposal, and then I give you a template to do that. So on and on and on and on. And that is what we cover in bootcamp. So this program is completely free, and this is your foundational program. The bootcamp program is then your paid program for those of you that want to go on and do that once you have done this foundational program. So I'll talk about bootcamp a little bit as we go through, not to try and spam it at you, but that program is there for those of you who enjoy my teaching style and who are seeing the value I'm giving you for free as part of this free program. And if you think, okay, well, if that's the free program, the paid one must be pretty good, and you'd be right. So in 12 weeks, you will have a completely different business or a completely set up business, and you will have heaps of content having been created, lots of lead gen done, clients in your pipeline, and the complete back end of your system up and running as well. So that's bootcamp. Don't worry about bootcamp at the moment. The free course is coming. The first video is landing tomorrow. And as I said, the best experience to join and watch the free course is to come into my free community and join us over there and be able to download this Notion dashboard so you can access the other resources that I have for you. So I'll see you back here tomorrow for the first video in the series, and make sure in the meantime you join the free community and you download and get this Notion dashboard set up so that you're ready to go. So I'll see you back here tomorrow.